While in a highly curious development, at least 35 advocates have claimed that they have received anonymous calls from Seek for Justice asking them not to help Prime Minister Modi by filing cases against Sikh farmers. While these calls have been allegedly made from United Kingdom, according to the lawyers, it was an automated call, and the caller said the Supreme Court should not hear the case when it has not been able to punish the culprits of the 1984 anti-Sikh riots. The matter has been raised with the Secretary General of the Apex Court. Solicitor General Office has also taken cognizance. This comes after the video of a separatist organization Seeks for Justice founder Gurpatwant Singh Pannu's video went viral, calling for violence ahead of the Prime Minister's visit to Punjab.
आज सुबह 10:30 बजे करीब और 12:30 बजे करीब 2 कॉल्स मुझे आए हैं यूनाइटेड किंगडम के नंबर से, और वो रिकॉर्डेड वॉइस कॉल्स थे जिसमें ये बोला जा रहा था कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजेस रिफ्रेन करें अपने आप को ये पिटीशन सुनने से जो पीएम मोदी की कैवलकेड को ब्लॉक किया गया है। और उस मैसेज में ये भी कहा जा रहा था कि वो जिम्मेदारी लेते हैं पीएम मोदी के कैवलकेड को ब्लॉक करने की। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा माननीय गृह मंत्री जी से कि इस चीज का संज्ञान लें, और मेरी तरह सुप्रीम कोर्ट के कई एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड्स को ऐसे कॉल आए हैं।
On a day that the Apex Court heard the Prime Minister's security breach matter, several lawyers of the Supreme Court also received a call from an automated UK number which claims to have been a message from the Sikhs for Justice organization. This banned organization has claimed responsibility for the massive breach in the Prime Minister's security and the blockade that has led to this massive political fallout in India. The message that was given out to the lawyers via this automated call also said that the Supreme Court should not favor the Indian Prime Minister against the farmers, and that the court has not taken any action against the perpetrators of the 1984 Sikh genocide. The Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association has sent a complaint regarding these calls to the Secretary General's office, and it is expected that some action will be taken regarding these calls very soon. In New Delhi with cameraman Nasir, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.